Hello, Super Traders, and welcome to our Money Flow session. I'm Rony. With me in studio, Dana Sender, our market analyst. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Good. There are a lot of things that are going on in the market in the past week. In a sense, market is not showing as much volatility as before, but there's a lot of shifts that are going on in the market at the moment.
It's a good thing that the volatility is declining, and I think it after 2-3 months of high volatility and a lot of uncertainty in the markets, we can see now maybe it's feeling December, maybe it's feeling the end of the year, consolidating. A little bit more peaceful at the time.
And there are some good news that are coming from different markets. We are seeing that China supposedly is starting to...
It's mixed. It's kind of a mixed.
Yeah.
If you're talking about China, it's kind of a mixed data. The US market is much stronger at the moment. The European also mixed. And if we'll take a look at that.
Yeah, let's take a look at top 10 creations of the past week. This is the data. And how do you explain that the financial sector is actually being the top creator of the moment?
It's very easy to explain it. Since the financial industry is very, the interest rate is very dominant in the earnings of the banks system. So as far as the interest rate will go higher, you're predicting that the earning will be higher.
Okay, fair enough.
The banking are earning from the deposits. The deposits are... You take the interest rate from the interest rate of the Federal Reserve, and people are predicting that the financial service will enjoy the hike of the interest rate, hoping that it will be...
Do you think there will be an interest rate hike? And back to pessimistic Dana Sender, our market analyst.
I missed twice my reading for the interest rate hike.
Okay.
This time, I do believe that this December will be the money time. You see that all the top 10 creators are hedged, are US dollar currencies. Even looking at the European hedged equity, they're hedging the euro. Okay. So there's a belief that the US dollar will keep its dominating the currency market, especially over the emerging markets and also the European euro. And if we take a look now at the top 10 redemptions.
Okay, yeah.
And that's the other side reflecting...
That's where the money is not going these days.
Running from. So where is it running from? It's running from the Treasury.
Okay. Like it was before, we were talking about it. You were mentioning that for weeks now.
Because when the interest rate will hike, it means that the yields should go higher, of course. Yields go higher, we know bond and treasury go lower.
Yeah.
Also, we're seeing the S&P 500. As I said, I can see that the money is shifting to the mid-cap equity indices. Okay. Indicating that there's a lot of belief in that there is an upside on the equity market, because if we talked about it many times on the range of investments, from the treasury to the investment grade, to the high yield, to the equity, the benchmarks, the large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Okay. So on the range now, we're going to the mid cap. Very optimistic.
As you're saying, right now the interest rate hike is what is moving the market around at the moment. Interest rate hike is the major catalyst of everything that's going on in the market at the moment, and you think that this will be the case for the next week or two. Having said that, we do have Janet Yellen's statement later on today, 2:30 p.m. GMT time, but you're saying she's just gonna keep the situation as it is. She's just gonna keep the market moving in the same direction.
Definitely.
Okay, Dana Sender, thank you so much for all the inputs of where money is going these days.
Pleasure.
Super Traders, we will see you later on today with some more news and updates. Until then, have a happy and profitable trading day.